Here is how to refund a game on Steam. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about refunding game on Steam. So you might want to refund for various reasons. The main rules are that you must have bought the game within the last 14 days and played it for less than 2 hours. To request a refund, you need to go to the top left of the Steam, then click on Help, then go to Steam Support and next find Purchases. Next, click on the game that you want to refund and then click on I would like a refund, followed by I'd like to request a refund. And Steam will check if you're eligible and then choose where you want the refund to go, example, PayPal or any other form of payment. Scroll down and give a reason for refund and click on Submit Request. If successful, you'll get the refund. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.